Okay, so this is question number 20. The question is to complete the proof using the drop-down options. Okay, so I have the question. First of all, guys, every time we solve a proof, the first thing that I do is I look at the problem, okay, and I come over here and check the information that is given. The information that is given. And that's the first thing that I'm going to put on my proof. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to put on my proof. So let's check this out. Given FG is congruent to GH. So here in my drawing, FG is this side of the triangle congruent to GH. Okay. Next, JK is congruent to KL. JK, the left side of the little triangle, is congruent to KL, the right side. So those are isosceles triangles. Great. The third thing that is given is angle F is congruent to angle J. Angle F on the left is congruent to angle J, the small triangle. So all this information is already given in the drawing. All right. Let's see. I need to put this information in my proof. So first statement, FJ congruent to GH. JK is congruent to KL. My reason, given. Normally my given is going to be my first thing. So given. That's the reason. Now, I'm missing the angle F congruent to angle J. Let's check through the proof to see if we can find that. Angle F is congruent to angle J. Look, let me go back. Given angle F is congruent to angle J. So I'm going to go through the proof and see where is that. Here is go. Angle F is congruent to angle J. The reason, given. And I already have two spots full. Okay? Let's keep going. So, because of these two sides of the triangles are equal, then this is an isosceles triangle. The little one, those two sides of the triangle are equal, that's an isosceles triangle. Look at the reason number two. Statement number two, I'm sorry. Triangle FGH is isosceles. Yes, I know that because of those sides are equal. Triangle JKL is isosceles. Yes, because the sides are equal. How do we call this thing? Look at the reasons. Given, no. Base angles, no. Angle, no. Substitution, no. That's the definition of an isosceles triangle. Definition of an isosceles triangle. They're just telling me that there are isosceles triangles. Okay, I trust you. Definition of isosceles triangle. Next. Angle F is congruent to angle H. Let's go to the drawing. Angle F is congruent to angle H. So they're saying that those two base angles, okay, that this angle, hold on, that this angle is congruent to this angle. That's right. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. And in every isosceles triangle, these are called the base angles. They're equal. What about the other one? This angle is congruent to that angle. They're called base angles. They're equal. So, here we go. Let me go back and let's check. Reason number three. Reason number three. Angle F is congruent to angle H. The reason is base angles of an isosceles triangle are congruent. That's the reason. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. Angle H is congruent to angle L. Where is that in the drawing? Angle H is congruent to angle L. I know that because those angles are congruent because they're base angles. But now, what could be my reason for that? Given, no. Base angles, no. I used that already. Angle, no. Definition, no. That's substitution. I'm substituting information from one side to the other one. So that's substitution. Okay? Oh. Last one. Triangle FGH is congruent to triangle JKL. How do I know that these two triangles are similar? I'm sorry, similar, not congruent. Because the angles on the bottom are congruent. So the reason for this proof is